Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the color of your folder on Windows. It's really simple and easy. For this, you have to download the application here. So you have to download this folder colorizers for Windows and then install this application. So to color code folders, to begin by downloading Soft Dryness Folder Colorizer, right click on any folder and hit colorize. Then choose just any shade to label your folder: brown, blue, black, whatever you want. Also, it was mentioned before, there is an easy way to create unique custom colors. Simply click on colors in the bottom and you will see a magical palette where you can choose any shade you want. Once selected, simply hit add color to library and hit apply. And that's pretty much it. Now you have to select the color. As soon as you add a color, your folder will be automatically colorized. You can also right click on the folder and choose restore the original color if you want the default color back. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to change the color of your folder in Windows. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.